So in this chapter, bills of exchange, what you have to do is write the journal entries. So here we have to know what are the different journal entries to be written. The journals are recorded in the books of seller or also in the books of buyer. So here number one, sell or purchase. So here X is selling and Y is buying. So in the books of X, Y account debit to sales account, because here X is selling to Y, debit the receiver, Y is receiving, so Y account debit to sales account. Similarly in the books of Y is purchasing, so purchases account debit to X account, because it is purchased from X, it is purchased on credit. Then you have acceptance. Acceptance means signing the bill. Who signs the bill? Y signs the bill and gives it back to X. So what does X receive? X receives bills of exchange, that is called bills receivable account. So bills receivable account debit to Y account because it is received from Y. And the same bills of exchange is bills payable for Y, and it is payable to whom? X. So X account debit to bills payable account. Bills honored. Honored means to receive the money. Who will receive? X will receive. What? Cash. So cash or bank. Cash or bank account debit to bills receivable account. Why bills receivable account? Because here X is receiving money against bills receivable. Similarly, Y is paying, money is going out, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, money is going out. So it is to cash account, and against what? Against bill payable. So bills payable account debit to X or bank account. Now for bills discounted, which I have already explained, this bills discounting means receiving money from bank, money comes in, bank account debit, discount on bill account debit to bills receivable account, because the money is received against the bill, that is why bills receivable account is credit here. Then who discounted? This is discounted by X, it is not by Y, so no entry in the books of Y. Bills endorsed. Here endorsed. Endorse means to give it to a third party, give it to someone else. Like say here, X needs to pay to Z. Then instead of paying him cash, X can transfer this bill to Z. This is called endorsing the bill. Okay, so making payment to a third party through that bill is known as endorsing the bill. So bills endorsed. Endorsee means here Z is the endorsee, because the Z is receiving this bill, right? So endorsee account debit to bills receivable account, and this is endorsed by whom? Endorsed by X. That is why no entry in the books of Y, right? So number 6, dishonor of bill. So meaning of dishonor is already explained. This is unable to make the payment or refuse to make the payment. So X can keep the bill with him till the date of maturity, or X can endorse the bill, or X can discount the bill with the bank, or X can send for collection. These are the 4 different options that X has on that bill. Now if the bill is kept by X till the date of maturity, then the journal entry is Y account debit to bills receivable account to cash account. This cash account is for noting charges, and the entry in the books of Y will be bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to X account, right? Now what is noting charges here? When the bill is dishonored and X wants to have the proof of this dishonor, the evidence of dishonor of the bill, then X will ask the notary public to note down the fact that the bill has been dishonored, and in noting down this fact, the notary public will charge his commission, his fee. That fee is known as noting charges, and this noting charges has to be paid by Y ultimately. Endorsed. So if the bill is endorsed, your entry is Y account debit to endorsee account, Again same entry in the books of Y. Discounted. When the bill is discounted. By whom? By X. So here the bill is with bank. So here Y account debit to bank account. Why bank account? Here the money is going out. Why it is going out? Since the bill is discounted and it is dishonored, so it is the responsibility of X to pay that amount to bank. Right? So here X is paying the bill amount to bank on the dishonor because the bill has been dishonored. Sent for collection. Now what is the meaning of sent for collection? Here X, instead of keeping the bill with him, he has given it to the bank with the standing instruction that the bill should be collected from Y on the date of maturity. So it is the responsibility of the bank to make the collection. Right? So this is called bill sent for collection. So the entry on the dishonor is Y account debit to bills for collection account to bank account. This bank account is for noting charges. Right? Now in the books of Y, the entry for dishonor of bill is the same for all these cases. Now the next number. So number 8, renewal of bills or renewal of bill. So renewal of bill means to cancel the old bill and draw a fresh or new bill. So first what you do, you cancel the bill. So cancelling the bill is Y account debit to bills receivable account in the books of X, and in the books of Y, bills payable account debit to X account. So this is the reverse of the first entry we have there, that is acceptance of bill. Then when the bill is cancelled, so new bill is drawn for the extended period. Now for this extended period, X may charge interest. So if this entry for the interest not received, Y account debit to interest account. Your interest account is credited because it is an income for X, right? Debit all losses and expenses, credit all gains and incomes. And here interest account is debited because it is an expense for Y, so it is interest account debit to X account. Now interest received. If it is received in cash, the entry is cash account debit to interest account, and in this case Y pays, so interest account debit to cash account. Then drawing a fresh bill for the extended period. So it is bills receivable account debit to Y's account, that means drawings account, and X account debit to bills payable account. So it is drawers account debit to bills payable account. So these are the journal entries in the chapter bills of exchange. So this is the end of this chapter, bills of exchange. This chapter is full of journals. You just need to know them. Thank you.